is it about guys with girls on bikes? I love it, the girls ride bikes, but I like the girls that can ride bikes properly. Oh my god. Actually, if I had a penny for every stare I get, I would be literally loaded, wouldn't I? I certainly would. Bored. Is that better? Can you hear me better now? You'll have to excuse my sniffiness. It's yes. Yes, we were talking about guys with girls on bikes. I love to see girls on bikes. If they can ride. I don't like the pretend, the fakers. Don't like that. That annoys me. If you love something, do it with a passion and be true to your convictions. Don't be a faker. And that's what got me into bikes. I lived in a village where there was like 12 guys and I was one of 2 girls. And I liked all the guy stuff. Building rafts and fighting and spitting and chewing hay. And you cut me right off then. And football and shit like that. I'll turn you off now and then I'll put you back on. You back? Oh, get the stand down. I don't know why it keeps going stiff. I've got to give it a bit of a squirt. Yeah, so if I pay with card, or should I go and get some food? I'll go and get food. So I'll pay inside, I think. I need something to be able to eat later. Oh, come on. Oh, did I just press the wrong thing? Fuck's sake. I've done it all wrong, haven't I? You see that? I wouldn't press the wrong fucking button. Now that I've paid, I'm going to have to move my bike to the guy behind me, which is really embarrassing, because he's just witnessed all that. How fucking annoying is that? How incompetent do I feel right now? It's never happened before, it's only because I pressed the wrong button. I'm going to have to move my bike now, so I haven't got a free parking spot. Otherwise he's going to be even more angry with me. Not only getting the pump scenario wrong, but the fact that I've now paid on card, I'm going to wander in the shop without moving my bike. So I shall move my bike over and then you can get on with filling and doing your stuff, and hopefully it'll take the emphasis off me being such an incompetent twat. Get in gear, you bitch. Incompetent twats are us. Yes. There's a Bonnie. Right, well that felt good, didn't it? Let's get in the shop quick. Isn't she a pretty girl? She's got a fucking petrol famine or what? I like to go to the seaside. There's Owen's van. Mr. Owen Davis, who's on my Facebook page. Stop and shop. Shop and stop. Your mobile grocer. Mr. Owen Davis. Right. There you go, Owen. If I keep this in, you've had a mention. It's going on YouTube, pal. Heavy breathing, aren't I? Sorry about that. It's just very restrictive. Oh, I like this hoodie. That's nice. I do like that colour. Fucking grid. Whoa, look at that. That's mental. Yeah, come on. My foot goes down it. And I can't get my foot out. And I can come off my bike with Sue. It's alright for cars. Not good for bikes, is it? Oh, come on. Blimey. I had a pair of curtains like that. Tablecloth. With poppies on. Go to the seaside. There's not much more than anybody wants to go. Don't fucking knock me off. For fuck's sake, bud. Just get it in there. Can't you see there's a queue? Oh, leaving me with my arse stuck out on the road, on a bend. That's fine. It's only a Mini. Wasn't exactly parking a limo, was he?